In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a spreadsheet into Trello in 2025. This process has become more streamlined, allowing you to quickly integrate your data from spreadsheets into Trello boards, making them even more efficient and interactive. Let's walk through the steps together and make sure you're comfortably navigating this process. First, you'll want to go to your Trello board. If it's been a while since you've logged into Trello, simply navigate to the website and sign in with your credentials. Choose the board where you wish to import your spreadsheet. This board will be your workspace, where all your tasks, notes, and projects come to life in an organized manner. Once you've accessed your board, the next step is to locate and click on Power Ups. Power Ups are Trello's way of supercharging your boards with extra functionality. You'll find this option on the board menu, usually positioned on the side. It's a simple click, but it opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your board's capabilities. Now that you're in the Power Ups section, you're going to click on Add Power Ups. This is where Trello lets you integrate tools and features that aren't standard out of the box. Think of it as the App Store for Trello, where you can find various add-ons to help tailor your boards to fit your needs perfectly. In the next step, you'll notice a search bar within the Power Ups section. Click on the search bar to activate it. By doing so, you'll be able to find specific power-ups that align with your current task, which in our case is importing a spreadsheet. Type Trello import into the search bar. This entry prompts Trello to locate any relevant power-ups that will facilitate the import of data from a spreadsheet into Trello. Once you've typed in Trello import, wait for the results to come up. When the Trello import result appears, you'll simply want to click on Add. This action integrates the import feature with your board, essentially equipping it with the ability to understand and process the spreadsheet data you'll soon introduce. After adding the power up, the next step is very straightforward. You'll click Add once more when the prompt comes up to reconfirm your selection. This repeated click ensures that the settings align correctly and your board is fully prepared to handle your spreadsheet. Next, you're ready to bring your spreadsheet into the mix by clicking on Choose File. This option allows you to select the spreadsheet.csv file that contains the data you wish to transfer into Trello. Make sure your file is saved in the appropriate format, as it guarantees smooth importing without hitches or errors. With your file selected, simply click on Check and Import Spreadsheet.csv. This final action will import your data into the Trello board. Your tasks, lists, or any pertinent information from the spreadsheet will now be available right on your Trello board, ready for you to utilize. Lastly, don't forget to close the menu. This small but important step ensures everything is tidy and organized as you complete your setup process. Now, your spreadsheet data has seamlessly integrated with Trello, enhancing your project's efficiency.